Hi, welcome to day 5 of the 13 Days of Halloween series. Robin Pitts, who is Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs, and myself are participating with our host, Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. And to be entered into our giveaways, you must subscribe and leave a comment every day on each of our videos. But I will leave all of that information in the description box below. And what I have created today is a haunted house, as you can see. And this SVG file was designed by Mabel Rodriguez. And I will leave a link to her Facebook page in the description box below. So if you're interested in purchasing it. I've also used this house before, but it was a Christmas house. So the difference this time is I have used the tombstones that she included in the fence and the this top piece here. When I did it as a Christmas, I didn't include those. And I have put some fairy lights inside the house, so I'm not sure. I think you can see a little bit of glow. I put vellum behind each window so you can kind of see it gives it a little eerie effect. It has like a little purple look to it. And then I cut out a lot of vellum ghost and put around the house. I've got one coming through the roof, the chimney, behind the tombstone. I have a Grim Reaper out of vellum behind a tombstone, a ghost in the tree, and another one over here behind the fence. And I used my Silhouette Cameo to cut this out, and the little rock path was also a silhouette file. And then I used some moss. This was in the moss. I put it around the tree, and I've added some spiders and some cobwebs. So we'll just turn it as we go here. But I love her design. I think it came out really well for a Halloween house. And then the paper here was some paper that was in my stash. It wasn't in the paper pad. And I thought the cobwebs made a really good roof. And I love that she has lots of windows. And you can see my wire going underneath there. And I have some lights sticking out. And some more spiders. And then there was some ghost on the paper. And some spiders on this paper. But I love how it came out. So I think it looks really spooky. And then it just lifts up. You could also put a tea light, a battery operated tea light under there, but I don't have any. So I had these fairy lights and just put them inside and taped them near the windows. And I had a few left over, so I used them on the outside, which I really like that as well. If I would have thought ahead of time, I could have tucked it in the moss. And the tree, trying to remember, I think it might have been a cricket fowl. And I just cut it out 3 times, scored it down the middle of the trunk, and then just glued them together so it made a 3D tree. The tombstones, I did distress ink with some black soot to age them. And I just took a pen and wrote beware and, you know, RIP for rest in peace. But I'm very happy with how it came out. And I hope you like it as well and are enjoying the series. And what the ladies are just amazing. So I appreciate getting to do this with them because I love Halloween. So make sure to leave your comments and have a spooktacular day. Thanks for watching.